Hello students, today our topic is based on English grammar. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means action that is still going on. In this video, we can see how the present continuous tense is used. First, for an action going on at the time of speaking, for a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking, and an action that has been already arranged to be take place in the near future. So first we can see for an action going on at the time of speaking. So here present continuous means the action that is still going on. So for an action going on at the time of speaking, let's see an example. She is singing now. Another one example, she is dancing now. So from this two sentence we can understand that action is going on at the time of speaking. So from this sentence she is dancing now, we can understand that she is dancing at the present time and the action is continuing. Next, for a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. So from the sentence we can clearly understand that action is not happening at the time of speaking. So example, I am reading David Copperfield. So from the sentence we can understand that I am reading but not reading at this moment. So this sentence clearly gives an example that action may not happen at this moment, that is at the time of speaking. And then the next, for an action that has been already arranged to take place in the near future. So from this sentence we can understand that action that is fixed to be takes place in the near future. So for better understanding, let's see an example. I am going to the cinema tonight. So from this sentence we can clearly understand that the action is arranged to take place in near future, that is tonight. So in simple way, the action that is going to take place in the future is that going to cinema tonight. And then the next, present continuous tense is also used in referring particularly obstinate habit, means something which persists or which is very difficult to change over. In spite of the advice or warning, we use the present continuous tense with an adverb like always, continually, constantly, etc. So first, obstinate means very difficult to change. So now let's see an example. My dog is very silly. He is always running out into the road. So from this sentence we can understand that it is very difficult to change the dog's habit, that is running into the road always. So since the action persists, even though in spite of warning, we use with the adverb always. So adverb always is used to explain not able to change a habit, and this is used with present continuous tense with an adverb always. Next, there are also some verbs that are not used in present continuous tense, and thus the verbs of perception. Example, see, hear, smell, notice and recognize. Next, verbs of appearing. Example, appear, look and seem. And the next verb of emotion, and the example of it, want, wish, feel, desire, love, hate, hope, refuse and thus prefer. And other verbs not used in present continuous tense is verbs of thinking. Example of verbs of thinking are think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forgot, imagine, mean, might, etc. And at the last, have, that means possess. And the example is own, belong to, contain consist of. So these verbs are usually not used in present continuous tense. But however, we can use the above listed verb in continuous tense with the change of meaning. So in a simple way, the verb can be used in continuous tense but with a little change of meaning. Now we can see with an example for better understanding how it is used with a change of meaning. For example, here the have is used with change of meaning eat. So in a simple way to understand, present continuous means action that is still going on. Hope you understood. Thank you.